Okay, so this is what it looks like with the bushing removed. What you can do sometimes to get that bushing off is kind of put the needle nose pliers on the bushing and roll it out. They are a little tough. So now we're going to get the cord. So you want to put the bushing on the cord so that it's like that. Boy, that's really out of focus, huh? Sorry. But so then we're gonna put it into this hole and feed it all the way down. We're gonna put it in this hole, feed it all the way down, and then pick the cord out with that pick tool from the other side. Okay, so there's the cord coming out the other side. When you feed it down through the arm, you'll feel it hit the end. There's a calf on the end of the arm. And then you can just reach up there with that pick tool and pull it through. And then put this bushing right on so it can go into the hole. And just line up. I can't see there, but there's little ears that come out. You just want to line those up and so they're along the length of the arm. Just push it right in and do the other same thing to the one up at the top. So then when you have both bushings on, pull the cord all the way through, and it should look like this, where they all are going out of the arm at the top, into the pole, and around the brass ring. And then next step would be to feed this cord, weave it through the screen side, the cord guides on the screen side.